Wait, what's that thing over there? Let me check it out.
Oh my goodness! I've been playing with the slime and I wasn't playing with this. Oh my god, we should unbox it. Come over.
Yeah.
What?
come on.
What is it?
We found these balls.
Oh my goodness, I think they're LOL balls. What if
they
we have
are?
sisters? Oh my god. Which one should we do first?
I want to do this.
No,
this
I'm
one.
going to do this one. I found it.
Okay, we'll all do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll all do it. Yeah.
Okay, pull the zipper.
Yeah.
Stretch.
Pull the zipper.
Ow. Pull the zipper. Is it hard to do it?
Yeah, it's a little.
This is hard.
Ah. Oh my god!
That's a hold her.
Oh my god! I just. I've been
Oh
playing-
my goodness, I want to peel this.
Oh really?
I'm
Well,
gonna
I'm
peel
going
it
to do
though.
it. I'm going to do it.
Peel everything.
Wait, that looks like your ball that you came in, Surreal Bebe.
Look.
That's mine.
Yes, it does.
Okay, well it does. But that's it.
You're gonna peel the whole thing?
That's because I am in the same series, okay?
Wait, guys, what about the sticker, the hidden sticker?
Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah, can I
Now, what's
read
it
it?
say? No.
I want to read it.
Okay, read it without it. I'm so sorry.
Eyes for drama. I for drama.
I for drama. Yeah.
I for drama.
Oh my god. That's what it says up there.
That's it.
Oh.
Word.
Hi.
Okay, so which one should we unbox first? Do not unbox the doll.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is the doll.
Okay, we each get to unbox
I
one.
will do this one.
Take it out.
Yeah, take it out. Take it out.
Oh my god.
Are you excited?
There.
Oh my god.
Oh my
It's
god.
like light. Yeah, it's a cool
Pull the
light.
tab out.
Yeah.
Tab.
Yeah, that.
And then press that button right there.
Oh, it's
Cool.
purple.
Yeah, it's purple. Cool.
Once in a story.
Yeah.
Now let's do the other one. Turn it off so you don't waste battery.
Okay.
No.
Dad. Oh.
Okay,
Dad.
now open your other one.
Okay. This is going to be fun.
Okay, let's see it.
Oh my god. This is going to be fun.
Okay.
You know
Just open it. Open it. Open it. Oh, what is it? Oh my goodness. Let's see the bottle.
It's cool.
It's really cool. I
it's
love it.
glittery.
It's glittery on the top, right? And
I
it's
know.
silver.
I used it.
Oh, looks cool.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see Surreal
Hey,
Bebe.
guys, look at it.
Look at her dress.
I call it. I call it.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. No. Now let's see what I bought. It's beautiful. Okay. I don't think it's your turn to do it because I had to unbox this bag. So let's see what's in here. Why you keep saying OMG? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. These cuties? These are really cute.
Yeah, look how cute it is.
For you guys, is this a cute girl shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course it is.
Okay, good.
Ow!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay,
looks
now
so
let's see the
bad.
other one.
Once a nice stormy night.
You ready? Oh, wait, let's see this
Oh,
one.
wait.
Stop talking. Whoa!
Oh, my fingers!
Whoa, these are really cool. They look cool on me. Okay.
Don't look cool at you.
Okay,
now
wait,
time-
what? I unboxed a wristband.
Yeah.
Really cool. Wait, let's try to guess which doll it is. Okay, let's just see.
Look at the test. Turn
I think
around.
it's this one.
Let's turn it around.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it looks like that one.
Her name is Ice.
I think
It's Ice. Her name is Ice.
Yeah, look, here's me. I'm Surreal Bebe.
And I think this is Ice, this is Ice,
Yeah.
and this is Fire. So I think we're gonna get Ice, right, guys?
Yeah,
Okay, now let's unbox the doll.
good
doll. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I think it's Ice.
Whoa!
Look at how pretty the doll is. Hi, guys. I'm
I
Ice.
don't know who want to see you naked. I'm just gonna give you some privacy to get dressed. Just get your dress.
Okay.
Is this still recording?
Oh, I'm going in.
No, I am. I was kidding.
Okay, now she's getting dressed.
I can't get dressed. It's my arm.
Just get dressed.
But my arm won't move. Can you help
I'm sorry, but yes. Oh,
That's my ball, not your ball.
hey. One should be there. And this is my ball.
I'll put my old shoes on.
Now I'm just on the go. Guessing game.
You didn't even come in a ball. You came in the glamper.
It's okay.
And then your
You can
glasses.
have it.
My shoes though.
I've never seen something so good. Like a whole. I've been inside this section.
You give me my glasses.
Okay. God. This is where I'm living. God, get me out of here now.
Hey, I'm the new girl, so I'll help.
No.
Hey, this is my girl. Ow! You're rude. The new girl.
Of course, that's my life.
All alone ice. And there was a penguin too. But the penguin, it was a baby penguin. The penguin was lost in the ice. It's trying to find its mama and tried swimming up and to the ice. But it was stuck in the water. So it died. Then its mama found it in the water.
Whoa, that's
Its mama catched it. And then the end.
Wow, that's really cool. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's get on to
I
the.
wanna
Yeah,
do
you can
it.
peel it since you're a new girl. Peel it.
Oh, yeah, right there.
You are a family member, right? Just come with us. It's really cool.
Whoa!
Okay, just I would go down the zipper if I were you. Just go down the zipper. No, wait. Look at the top. It's yellow, I think. This time it's yellow.
Oh my god!
Or is it clear?
Wait, guys, I see this. I saw the message.
Oh, get it. Let's see what it says without reading it. Okay, it says energy drink or
Okay, let's see. We each get one, right? Whoa. Press it. Stop. So I'll get these two.
okay, so Noah can unbox this. This is for the pet. So let's see. It's so hard to unbox. How about I do this? See what it is. Oh, it's its own flashlight. And it's purple again. It's the same one as here. Let's see this one. Let's see what it is. Whoa, cool. It's like a harness or something. I don't know. Whose turn is it to unbox?
Is that okay? Sure, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. It's a cool bottle, guys. Look, see?
Clear with
Yeah. Look at these cool headphones. Ooh, right there. Yeah. Oh, look at them. Oh my god.
I was trying to get him to sleep because he didn't sleep for the whole night. Okay. Let's see what I got. Nothing?
you do.
something.
Just get it out. It's probably tidy.
No, it's nothing.
Well, just try to squeeze it out. It's probably tidy.
Try looking. There's nothing.
Well, then put your finger inside.
I literally am seeing it. Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I
Do you
even
want to?
I think that was one of the bags
That
that
was
she
probably
came with.
in the old bag. So, is this your other bag?
Yeah, I think those are.
Maybe that's it.
Ooh, a little hairbrush.
Ooh, I like it. That's really.
I call this cat. That's my pet. I like this.
Well, actually, they can.
And we'll all open the pet together.
I'll take all the toys.
Well, I'm going to.
There. Okay.
What is that? Oh, let's see it. Hey, this was it's like a clip, right?
Yeah.
It's like,
I think it's this.
okay, here.
Nothing else.
Oh, what about your third surprise? Did you open it?
Oh, right. It was nothing.
No? I think. Oh, right, it was. I think so. Yeah, let's open it.
Go.
It's so hairy. I don't